Hello and welcome to Shortcut Up CNC. Today we're going to talk about tip number 2, Toolpath 2D Drawing Visibility Tool. That is this icon right here. When you turn it by default, it is on, and it's usually in the wireframe mode. The wireframe has the little arrows around it. I'm going to open up the toolpath. We're going to put it on the outside. We're going to recalculate so it moves it to the outside. Go back to the 2D view. Now there the wireframe is on the outside, and this icon next to the drawing visibility tool switches it from the wireframe to the solid mode. Now, the solid mode comes in handy. Give you an example. We'll open up the toolpath again. We'll go to the allowance offset, and we'll put in 50 thousandths offset. We'll recalculate our toolpath, go back to the 2D view, and you notice the solid path is now on the outside of the vector, 50 thousandths away from the vector. That is your offset allowance. This tool comes in handy for seeing and displaying that offset. We'll recalculate the toolpath again. Put it back in the 2D view, see how the arrows are hugging the vector. If I change it again to, let's say, 60 thousandths, and we calculate, now you notice the arrows are no longer touching. That's 60 thousandths is the offset allowance. It's better seen in the solid mode versus the wireframe. Wireframe has the benefit of the arrows showing the direction of the toolpath, and also the start node is also there. Whereas in the solid mode, we don't have all that. We don't have the arrows. We don't have the start node. So this is very beneficial for showing the offset, allowance offset. So there you have it. Tip number 2, the Toolpath 2D Drawing Visibility Tool. Thank you for watching Shortcut Up CNC. Have a good day.